in this question, Raju and Lalita originally had marbles in the ratio 4:9. Then Lalita gave some of her marbles to Raju. As a result, the ratio of the number of marbles with Raju to that with Lalita became 5:6. What fraction of our original number of marbles was given by Lalita to Raju? So if you look at the traditional way of solving it, that would involve variables. So we'd start with Raju and Lalita, original number of marbles 4:9. So we can take that as 4x and 9x. And then whatever Lalita is giving to Raju, we can take that as y. So Lalita's number of marbles will be decreasing by y and Raju's will be increasing by y. So Raju's marbles at the end will be 4x plus y and Lalita's will be 9x minus y. And this ratio of marbles with them at the end, that has been given as 5:6. Okay, so we would get this ratio, which means we can convert it into a fraction. We can solve it to get the ratio of x and y. And with the help of that, we can find the ratio of y and 9x. Okay, but again, while this method is not that difficult, it would be a little bit time consuming and there would be a chance of making a mistake with the equation. So let's see a better method where we can completely avoid ratios. So now in the better method, the key observation would be that the total number of marbles is remaining the same. Whatever is the total number of marbles with Raju and Lalita combined at the beginning, we have the same total with them at the end. Because ultimately what is happening is Lalita is giving some marbles to Raju. But if we consider the two of them combined, the total number of marbles with them is ultimately remaining the same. So keeping that in mind, if we just deal with the ratios without taking any variable, at the beginning we have 4:9, at the end we have 5:6. Now since the key observation is that the total is remaining the same, let's focus on the total. 4 parts and 9 parts, that is a total of 13 parts. 5 and 6, that is a total of 11 parts. Now we need to make these the same, 13 and 11 the totals, okay, because that is what is actually happening. So 13 and 11, we will take the LCM. LCM of 13 and 11 is of course 13 into 11, which is 143. So you'll make both of these totals 143. So the first one, which is 13, we'll have to multiply with 11. And the second one, which is 11, we'll have to multiply with 13. Okay, so what do we get? So in the first one, we'll get 4 into 11, which is 44. And 9 into 11, 99, for the total of 143. And similarly in the second one, 5 into 13, 65. And 6 into 13, 78, for the same total of 143. So now we have totals which are matching with the information given, that the totals have to be the same at the beginning, at the end. Now, Lalita's number of marbles from 99 is becoming 78, that is a decrease of 21. And Raju's, you can see that will be an increase of 21. But we have to focus on Lalita, that Lalita is giving 21 marbles out of her initial 99 marbles. So the ratio that we have to find is 21 upon 99. Cancel off 3, you will get 7 upon 33 as the correct answer, which is there in the fourth option. Now, keeping this better method in mind, try out this replica question and share your answer in the comment section.